Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsend messages on Messenger. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Messenger app, and for this example I choose to send a message to Meta AI. Meta AI is the newest chatbot system that actually supports and provides help services for people that essentially experiencing issues on the platform. So this is how you're going to go about it. I'm going to say hi Meta, right? And I can press and hold on my personal message, so I can actually unsend the message. And there is two different options. Option number one is unsend the message for everyone, meaning that the person that you send the message to will not receive the message, and you're not gonna have the message on your message box either. The second option is only unsend for you, meaning that the person will receive the message, will read the message, could reply to the message, but on your side will simply be an empty box. We'll have a small line which it says message unsent. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, this message will be unsent for you. Other chat members will still be able to see it. This is why they will be able to reply to you. You see, they're still replying to us, but we actually unsend the message. So it looks like they're communicating between each other. They're not talking to us because we simply delete the middle connection of the message. This is how you can go about it. Please guys, pay very close attention what you're actually trying to achieve. There is a huge difference between unsent message from your site and unsent message for everyone. Because if you send a message and they receive the message and you see that they saw the message, you cannot unsend the message for everyone. The only thing you could do in this case is just to unsend the message for you, which I don't know, might work in some cases for you, just to not have it on your site, on your own history. But this is how you're gonna go about it. This is why you have to act fast when you send a message by mistake. For example, text to someone that you shouldn't. Mistakes happen. Sometimes the messenger is so slow, and you click on one profile but it opens another. So this is why you're going to be very fast. If you're slow, then you have to unsend for your site and then message to the other person, explaining that this is a mistake. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.